Good morning from Two Elizabeth's Vineyard. I'm just taking a little walk around after the weekend. This is kind of Monday's my day, my favorite day because it's my day off, so it's kind of nice even though I'm out here. But this is the newly planted Chambourcin Reds we planted in May, and they're really looking. There's a lot of growth for recently planted, which is pretty excited about that. Do have deer net on there just because most of this will get cut back in the winter pruning, but we're trying to get as many trunks developed as possible. And when you got deer hacking away at them, it's hard to get that. And if you don't get it in the first year, you end up cutting it back and trying again the next year. But I would highly recommend planting Chambourcin. This is really, it's a brand new vineyard and it's doing so well. Some of these plants are 7 foot tall. Very excited. Not all, it just depends. Some areas just, there's no rhyme or reason. They grow faster than others, and some, it just varies. There's Vineyard 1, the whites. It's looking good over there. Very full. Thinking about planting thinking about planting another 6 rows down this way in 2027. Yep. Anyway, hope everybody has a good Monday. Signing off.